Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech PowerShell video.
Welcome. This is the first in a series of videos on the PowerShell utility. PowerShell was created by Microsoft with Windows 7 and it has matured since then. A couple of years ago they open sourced it, so now there are versions of PowerShell available on Linux and Mac OS X. Well, what is PowerShell? It is a command line utility. If you're familiar with DOS or the Bash shell in Linux, those shells allow you to type instructions and commands in from a command line. It's not pretty, it's not graphical, but there are often times where what you need is to do something quickly, or maybe you need to do something over and over again. With PowerShell, you can create a script and then run it over and over. If you, for example, in Active Directory need to add a lot of users at once, you can write a script to read those from an Excel spreadsheet or a comma-separated values file. That's why we would want to use PowerShell. Things that don't work that well or can be sped up when you're doing it from a command prompt versus a graphical interface. Also, with Windows Server products, you often don't have access to a graphical interface. The Windows Server 2019 is moving more and more away from the graphical interface. In 2016, 2012, the older versions, you could install Server with or without that graphical interface. But now they're moving and pushing towards not using it because most servers are not connected up to a monitor anyway. This is what PowerShell is. It's a tool, a command line interface, so you can type commands on the keyboard, you can run scripts and automate tasks.
Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos. Please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists.